At Thorpe Park there are 6 main coasters: the Swarm, Hyperia, Nemesis Inferno, Stealth, Soar the Ride, and Flying Fish. Of course I'm kidding, we have Colossus to finish off that list. However, I don't think Colossus will remain how it is. But why do I think it will change? Colossus used to be the park's signature coaster and was the world's first 10-looping coaster, but nowadays, it's a bit crap. The 2002 Intamin coaster used to be the most popular coaster in the park, but nowadays it's a bit underwhelming when you look at the layout of Hyperia or the theming of Swarm. Although last year it got a repaint and looks really nice, it doesn't run that nice, and the problems are the trains. The trains for Colossus have 2 rows per cart, with the back row having no legroom at all. This makes the ride experience quite uncomfortable for taller riders. Though the legroom is one of the main factors limiting Colossus' ride experience, it's not the main uncomfortable part of the train. When going around Colossus layout, you have to keep your head forward outside of the restraints, or have a terrible headache after you ride. The over-the-shoulder restraints are extremely outdated. We know the coaster could be runnable with lap bars, which would prevent heads being smashed against restraints and make a more airtime-filled experience, which would really make the ride a lot more fun in my opinion. This would also allow amazing hang time on the 5 Heartline rolls, would just be a much better experience than what Colossus currently is. This change is likely to happen as well, due to Thorpe's fans being very open about the pain that is experienced on this ride. But if the change does happen, you won't want to miss it. That's why you should subscribe, because I'm constantly making theme park content to keep you all informed and entertained. I believe that trains such as this, where you have lap bars, but also quite a good bit of legroom, would be best for the future of the ride. Especially because on elements like this you could get such great airtime, and I feel like it would really improve the ride experience as a whole. So there you have it, why Colossus should change at Thorpe Park. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe, like it so more people can see why it should change. And let me know what your thoughts on Colossus are down in the comments below. But that's it from me today, and I'll see you all next time.